This crazy woman. You're related to her?
I am so sorry. I thought you were somebody I knew. I'm really so sorry, Daddy. I'm so sorry.
Zane? What kind of people are this? I'm sorry. Hindi ko matatanggap tong babaeng to para sa'yo.
Wait.
Mom,
I'm really sorry. Sige na.
we'll talk about this, okay? Excuse me po.
Okay, baby girl. I'm so sorry. Emma, ito na pagkakataon mo. Lumapit ka na.
Flor, hindi pwede muna. Baka lalong magulo yung isip ni Moki.